Hi everyone, it's Roy. I'm in the Treasure Center. Today's a part 2 video of part 1, yesterday's thrift video. If you didn't see that, go back and watch it, and you can see the journey that we made to go pick up the items that I'm going to talk about today. I also showed you a sneak peek and of the items that we're going to have. I'm going to display them out, talk about each of the items, explain what I paid for them, and what I expect to get to it. So stay tuned. All right, everyone. So yesterday's thrift wasn't that big, but I did pick up some items. Some of them are some everyday items you may find at garage sales, thrift stores that I didn't have to pay a lot for, but then you'll make a profit off of them if you find the same items. So I have a couple items displayed here. I've got a couple more items on a table over here. I'll explain what I paid for them and what I expect to get out of them. If you saw yesterday's thrift video, you saw that I picked up this Jimmy Buffett Las Vegas hat. It's a nice bright color. The listing on it was $1.99. Yesterday was a military appreciation day, so I got a discount. I was in the military, so instead of $1.99, I get 15% off on those days. So I paid $1.60 for it. I'm expecting to get probably between $9 to $15 plus shipping. It's a very popular hat. I saw it on the comps, so I picked that up. Right here, I've got a set of 3 year 2000 Walt Disney World glasses. They're the McDonald's featuring Mickey Mouse. Each one's a little different. They have different designs on them. A lot of you may have saw them if you picked them up. And it's got the McDonald's logo on the bottom. This set of 3, there's the other 2. They're the same. But this set of 3, I paid, the listing was $1.99. Paid $1.69 for these. I got expect if I was to sell them individually, I probably wouldn't get but maybe $5 for them. Being that these 2 are the same, I may lot 2 and sell one by itself. But for all 3, I'm expecting to get $15, $20 plus the shipping. So I might sell this one say $6.95 plus shipping, $5.95 plus shipping, and then left these 2 at $9.95 plus shipping. So that's what I'm expecting to make from those. Let's see what else I got over here. All right. Next on the list is a Starbucks coffee mug. It's pretty plain. I also got this private blend advertising coffee mug. It says premium packed, always good coffee, made by, I guess the coffee's packed by Charles and Gay in New York. And this one I got is a FBI mug. It has FBI San Antonio on the back. I usually don't pick up coffee cups unless they're like Starbucks has certain ones that are a lot more. Being plain, it's not very much. But again, I did do comps and I looked. I didn't pay but 60 cents for each one. They were listed at 99. I paid 60 cents. I expect that the Starbucks one I'll probably get $6 to $8 for. The private blend I expect to get between $10 and $12 for it, because it is an advertising mug and it is popular. The one thing about this that's missing is if you look, you see a little hole right here. This one originally had a porcelain spoon that went with it. And unfortunately, that one's gone. So I might have to drop the price down a little bit on that one, but that's all right. And then this one, true FBI mugs. They came from a department. Always good sellers. I'm expecting to probably get between $12 and $15 for this one plus shipping. Actually, on these, I might go ahead and just include the shipping and do free shipping. But still, for 60 cents a piece, turn right around, that's some good profit to make. Alright. Next on the list, I got little cards that tell me, because I did look up comps and I did see what things are worth. But I'll put them up here. Alright. And if you're wondering, I am wearing my RK Treasure Singer shirt my daughter made for me. Thank you. Love you. I've got these Sony VHS tapes new in the package. These are camcorder tapes. $1.99. Paid $1.60 for them. $1.99 is a listing. I can sell these. The comps is I can list 2 of these. Oops, excuse me. Table's loose. I can list 2 of these for $9.99 plus the shipping. They are VHS camcorder cassettes, premium grade, and this little one is a DVC Fujifilm new cassette, new in the package. So again, that's a simple little thrift store find. Find them at garage sales, make a little extra money. All right, next I picked up, I thought was pretty interesting, was a set of 6 water lily coasters. They're made in West Germany. The package is a little bit beat up. Still got the sticker on it. It says $3.99. I paid $2.99 for it. The package, like I said, is a little beat up, but the coasters themselves are in really nice condition. They look new, like they've never been used. They again, it says made in West Germany, so this was before the Berlin Wall came down. That's putting these well vintage. They're says genuine lead crystal, and there's not too many of these of this style. There's not too many of this one with this picture, this design, but I did find several. This design, I did find several others that were on the comps for eBay, and I'm expecting to get between $15 and $25 plus shipping. They do have a little weight to them, so I'm sure they'll go in a 2-pound regional box. All right, the next item I got that I picked up was a Scooby-Doo and Batman hat. Snapbacks. They're brand new. I paid, tags on them are 99 cents, so I didn't pay. But this one, same thing, 99 cents. So I didn't pay, but about 60 cents a piece for them with the discount. Again, make sure that you check that your stores you go to, if they got a color code or something for that day, or they're having a discount, be sure you go get a discount. Some places have online deals and coupons, or if you buy enough, you create a credit and then you can use it towards other products. It's really good if you're a real seller to find some items at a good price and then get them at a better price. But these new hats, I saw them and they're comped. They're going between $12 and $17 plus the shipping. So Scooby-Doo and Batman. I guess it was the day for glasses. I, 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 I guess it was the day for glasses. I picked up these 4 glass goblets. I'm sure a lot of you will recognize them. They're Lord of the Rings series goblets. They were a Burger King set that came out. They came out in 2001. I have Frodo. Gandalf. Strider. And Arwen. And they can say, they all say Lord of the Rings, the Fellowship of the Ring, the commemorative of the glasses. They've got the ring on the bottom of the gold ring, precious, and they're all dated December 1st. Excuse me, December 2001, not December 1st. Let me find my little card. The set originally, these were the 4 that you can buy them individually, and it created a set of 4. So I paid for all 4. I paid $1.60. I'm expecting to get between $15 and $20 as a set, plus the shipping. So that was a good little flip. All right. Again, you can tell that it was the day of the glasses. Probably somebody had some collector had some glasses or thought they needed to get rid of them, so they donated them. But I picked them up. These are I'm going to set them like this, and I'm going to show you. Oops, very careful with those. All right, these are some more McDonald's glasses. All right, and I know you can't really see them, but these are the 1995 McDonald's DC Comics, the Batman Forever series. I set them up like this because I have 3 of the Robin, 2 Batmans, and 2 of the Riddlers. There's the Riddler. It's got the Batman symbol above Gotham City. There's Batman. And there's Robin. On the back is the Batmobile. Each one has the McDonald's logo. It says Batman Forever series. All right. One thing that was really interesting that I looked at is on the bottom of these glasses, it'll say McDonald's Forever series Robin. Made in France. The Riddler says McDonald's Batman Forever series 1995, made in France. The Batman glasses say McDonald's Forever series, made in the USA. So I guess they decided to have all the Batman glasses made in the USA and all the other ones outsourced from France. I don't know. But I had to pay, these were bundled together and these 2 were bundled separately. These 5, I paid $1.60. These 2, I paid $1.60. But I'm going to set them up in lots. I'm going to sell the 3, and then the 1 individually. And as a set, I'm expecting to get between $15 and $22 plus the shipping. Again, those are the 1995 DC Comics. So if you see those at garage sales, thrift stores, you can find things in sets. There are a couple more out there, different ones, but they didn't have those there. But I can sell these as a set and make a pretty good profit. So let me get us a little something to drink. I got this this mug at the thrift store, there's a possibility that there's wine in this. Well, I'm gonna tell you what. I don't know if you can see it, but there's no wine. It's coffee. All right. So let me put these down. And I'll show you one of the last item I picked up, the last item that I got that I was really happy about. Some people it may not mean anything, but I thought it was really, really neat. So this, I can get the light to kind of do a little bit better with. There you go. So this is a little egg cup, and if you see on the bottom down here, it's signed Fannie Farmer, and trying to block that light, made in the USA. All right, it's a single egg cup. Originally it would have had a little red right, it would have had a little red right here on, it's a rooster, if you didn't notice. And right here on the front of the rooster, it had a little bit of red, and a little bit of red by the feet. This came from the 1940s of the Brush McCoy Company. Over the years, a majority of these had lost the red paint. And the reason being is the red paint was made after the production and after the glazing, and they cold painted it. So through washing and taking, it comes off. So most of them do not have any red paint. Doesn't change much of the value. Some of them have the original paint. Just bring up the value a little bit. I think that was what most intrigued me the most, was when I saw this. I had seen similar before, but it wasn't until I saw that Fannie Farmer written on there that I knew that was it. So look it up. Look up Fannie Farmer, but look up the Brush McCoy pattern, and you'll see some of these other ones. Oh, I paid 69 cents for this. And this will probably make between 10 and 20 comfortably, but I should get a higher to the $15 to $20 range plus the shipping. So if you see anything from the Brush McCoy Pottery Company, be sure to pick it up. All the Fannie Farmer products will say Fannie Farmer USA on them. They're from the 1940s. All right. And that's all that I got from that's all the thrift haul. That's all I got from thrifting yesterday. What I wanted to say was, for everything, I didn't pay more than about $25 for. I didn't figure it out exactly, but I figured about $25. But those are items that you can find at garage sales, thrift stores, different places like that, that you could probably find for cheaper than even what I paid for them. You might find them, you should probably find them for 10, 15, 25 cents a piece. You may find a little set or something, they might want to charge you $1, $2, and that's fine. If you think that's what it's worth, then pick it up. If you think it's worth your time, pick it up. Because I expect that this little $25 sale should probably get me $100 to $150. I guess if I figured out the price, probably $80 to $120 would probably be more realistic. Plus the shipping. So that was a good set of items. So keep an eye on, look out for those, and stay tuned, and I'll keep an eye out for other videos that we're going to have. If you enjoyed this one, again, it's my first haul video, so try to do the best I could. Please leave me a comment below if you tell me any changes that you think I should make, what I should add, what I should do differently. I look forward to them, positive or negative. Doesn't matter. But I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll have more for you. So